Here it is, guys. Comet Leonard. Super excited. Let's take a look at this thing.
Tonight it is December 23rd and it is right at sunset. Comet Leonard is supposed to be right beside Venus tonight. So hopefully I can find it. I'm gonna drive around now and just kind of try to find a higher vantage point. I got kind of high trees in my backyard. So stick around, guys. It's gonna be a fun night chasing Comet Leonard.
Okay, so we got Venus up over here and I can see it pretty good, so hopefully I got a spot in mind up here with a big open field. Hopefully it'll be good enough. We'll find out. And here we are. Here is our spot. I think we should be able to get this comet. Sweet.
I was in a hurry to get set up, polar aligned, and honestly was pretty worried I wouldn't be able to find this thing with enough time left to really get a strong signal. I've been so used to my full go-to mount, so having to manually find this thing in the thick hazy atmosphere was going to be challenging. So my plan is to use a 45mm lens on my Sony camera to locate the comet, then do my best to manually find it with a telescope. So from the Sony test shots coming through, I noticed a little smudge in the sky above a distant farm, and after about 15 minutes of back and forth, I finally lucked out. Holy smokes, I couldn't believe it. It was actually there in my frame after over a month of searching. Spur of the moment, finally I found it. After many frustrated attempts to center the comet, I knew I was wasting time, but I wanted to get it right.
Just look at that, man. We got it. Super excited. Yes. I was just about to give up. And looky there. Beautiful. That's about the best framing I could come up with. I've tried every other way and it just keeps getting worse and I'm wasting time. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna hook up the intervalometer and I'm gonna take 30-second exposures at ISO 3200. I'm shooting with the Red Cat 51 at 250mm and the modified Canon 80D, and we'll just shoot it till it goes below the horizon. Yes. So we're sitting here, I'm taking some dark frames right now. Figured they're only 30-second exposures, so I figured we might as well just do it right if we're gonna do it. So it is freezing cold out there. It's probably, I don't know, it's definitely freezing. Probably 30 degrees or so out there, but the wind is blowing really strong. So as soon as these get done, I head home and probably take some flat frames because it looks like there's a pretty strong gradient in the images because I'm so close to the horizon. So I figure flat frames wouldn't hurt. So yeah, super excited. It was kind of just spur of the moment thing. So yeah, that's what I love about this hobby. You never know what the night's gonna bring. You never know what, you can make plans, but they change at the last minute. It's just, you would think it'd be simple, but it's definitely not. A lot go into these images and a lot of planning. And yeah, for everybody, I just want to say thank you for all your support. And yeah, if you like this video, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Leaving me a comment, a thumbs up. It really does help kind of push these videos out. And yeah, guys, I do videos all about astrophotography, astronomy, and gear reviews and all that good stuff. So hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoy the image. Clear skies, guys. Peace.